Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the Chennai's most well-known integrated township development, PBEL City Chennai, located in Pelabakkam along the rapidly growing OMR corridor. So designed to offer a modern lifestyle with excellent connectivity and world-class amenities, PBEL City brings together comfort, convenience, and a vibrant community, making it a great choice for both homeowners and investors. So in this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with the project overview. PBEL City Chennai is a large integrated township spread across approximately 42 acres. With the launch of its latest phase, the township continues to grow with a premium residential tower, beautifully landscaped open space, and a thoughtfully planned community infrastructure. This is not just another residential project, it's a self-sustained township where everything you need is designed to be close at hand. One of the biggest advantages of this project is its location. Situated in Kelambakkam on Old Mahabalipuram Road or OMR, it's right in the heart of one of the Chennai's fastest growing IT and residential corridors. Siruseri IT Park is just about 10 minutes away, while Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science and SSN College of Engineering are both within a 5 minutes drive. VIT Chennai is about 15 minutes away, and when it comes to lifestyle, this project offers you everything you need. So this project gives you access to grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, beautifully landscaped garden, and a secure gated community with a 24/7 security. The entire township has been planned to promote wellness, recreation, and community living, creating a comfortable environment for families of all age group. Now let's talk about the home. So the project offers thoughtfully designed 1, 2 and 3 BHK residences to suit different budgets and lifestyle needs. The 1 BHK apartment range from 693 to 715 square feet, with the prices starting from 38 lakh rupees onwards. The 2 BHK homes range between 818 and 1134 square feet, starting from 45 lakh rupees onwards. If you need more space, the 3 BHK residences range from 1024 to 1067 square feet, with the prices starting from 57 lakh rupees onwards. The OMR corridor continues to be one of the Chennai's fastest growing residential and IT destination, and integrated townships like PBEL City are seeing strong demand because of their excellent connectivity, modern infrastructure, and the complete lifestyle offering. With its large-scale planning, premium amenities, strategic location, and self-sustained township concept, PBEL City Chennai has become one of the South Chennai's most attractive residential destination. So if you are looking for a modern home in a vibrant community or a property with a strong long-term investment potential, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.